To allow or disallow your phone to receive wireless emergency alert for extreme threats in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap advanced setting, tap wireless emergency alert. While this feature is enabled, you can set to allow or disallow your phone to receive wireless emergency alert for extreme threat. To do so, under alert section, tap the on off switch next to extreme threats to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when there's an extreme threat to live and property through wireless emergency alert. Given to the function, it's best to leave this option on since this feature can provide you immediate and life-saving information when there's an extreme threat to life and property in your surrounding. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.